Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to the Mahdi English School. My name is Nilofer Miss. This video is for the class 2 and the subject is mathematics. The numbers, right? So I hope that you all like the mathematics videos. So before we start the lecture, I am showing you the what. It will be a very helpful to you. So here is some ways to success. First of all, you have to think. After thinking, you will get the idea. For the success, you have to think first. You have to start successing with the thinking. While you are thinking, you will get the idea. If you are thinking, you will get the idea. After getting the idea, you have to try that idea. What? First of all, you have to thinking, then you will get some ideas. After getting ideas, you have to try it, you have to apply it, you have to do it. After try it, you have to do it. Do again and again and again. You have to do it again and again and again. Repeat it and repeat it. That you have to keep doing this. Don't stop that chain and you will get the success definitely. So first of all, you can apply this chain into the table only. You have to think about it, that how you can write down the tables in a day. You will get the idea that I will write down in the rough book one time the tables. I will read it once in a day. Then you have to try to do it. You have to do it. You have to write and learn the tables once in a day. Next day you have to try to write and learn the tables once in a day. You have to do it every day. Keep doing. You have to do the tables every day and you will get the success in the table. You are knowing the tables, and after knowing the tables, you will able to solve the multiplication worksheets, multiplication exercise, multiplication sums by yourself. It will be a very easy steps for the success. So you have to follow these steps every day. You will get the success definitely. It will be a very helpful trick to success full person into your life. And the success starts from the thinking. You have to thinking first, and then you will, at the end of this chain, you will get the success definitely. But if you are breaking this chain, if you are not doing again and again, if you are not doing again and again, so this chain is break here. You are not reaching to this goal. This is your goal. You are not reaching to this goal. If you are breaking this, if you are not trying, you are not continue this chain. For the success, man, you have to move, you have to follow this chain, because this is the compulsory. All the topics are very compulsory. You have to important for this. So because of you are breaking the chain, you will not reach to the success. So to achieve the success, you have to follow this chain and you are not going to break it. Otherwise, you will not get the success. So this is the what. Now chapter 8 we are continue, and the name of this chapter is Exploring Multiplication Further. This is the name of this chapter. So regrouping the tens, first of all, let's revising the previous lecture. As you know that we are revising the previous lecture in every present lecture. So first of all, let's revising the previous lecture first, and we'll understood all the concept with the help of the example, because we are right now we are study the online. You are not in front of me and I am not in front of you, right students? So I am doing all my possibilities. I am doing my best that you can understood through the video. I am showing all the possible examples in the video, so you will be better understood and there is no any doubt will come into your mind. And if there is any doubt will come, it will be a solve. I will just try to cover all your doubts in the videos. So just Keep watching the videos and after solve the textbook exercise. I hope that you will not get any doubt after watching the video. Just see the examples one or twice videos, so you will be easily understood this what I am trying to say you. Now let's see this. First of all, we are revising the regrouping tens. Here is a 3 twos are. What is the step 1? Multiply 3 with 1's value. This is the step 1. Now 3 twos are is equal to 6. So here step 1 is complete. Let's move to the step 2. In the step 2, we have to multiply 3 with the tens value. So 3 fours is equal to 12. You can see we are getting the answer in the 2 digit. It means we are regrouping it. So let's do both the steps together, step 1 and step 2. Here is 3 twos are 6 and 3 fours are 12. You can see we are getting the answer at the hundreds place also. Here is ones, tens and hundreds. Because of we are getting the answer at the hundreds place, you can call it we are regrouping the tens. Next example for you. Multiply 2 with 1's value first. Always we are starting any number, addition, subtraction and multiplication with the 1's column only. Now here also we are starting with the 1's only. 2 threes are is equal to 6. 2 threes are is equal to 6. Now the step 2 is multiply 2 with 10's value. Now here 2 sevens are 14. What is the answer? What is the product? 2 sevens are 14. Let's do this sum, both the steps, step 1 and step 2 together. Here is 2 threes are 6 and then 2 sevens are 14. Here also we are getting the answer at the hundreds place, 146. Then the next one, here is the step 1, the same step, multiply 3 with the 1's value. And here the 1's value is 2. 3 twos are 6. In this step 2, multiply 3 with the 10's value. So here is the 3 fives are 15. Now let's do both the steps together. 3 twos are is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So you can see this one is a carry forwarded number at the hundreds column. Because of there is no any digit at the hundreds column, we are putting this one number as it is. This one is at the hundreds column. Now you can read this product as a 156. Next example for you. Here is multiply 2 with the 1's value. Here is 2 twos are 4. Step 2 is multiply 2 with the 10's value, which is 2 6 are 12. Now let's do both the steps together, step 1 and step 2. First of all, 2 twos are 4 and then 2 6 are 12. Again we are getting the answer at the hundreds place also. So the product is 124. Then the next example. Next topic, regrouping the ones. We are going to solve both the exercise regrouping the ones and regrouping the tens in the exercise 8C. So before it we are just knowing both the tricks regrouping ones and tens. So now let's see regrouping ones. In the regrouping ones, the step 1 is multiply 4 with 1's value. We have to speak the table number 4. While we are regrouping the ones, we are getting answer in the 2 digit at the ones column. Just keep focus on my words. Whenever we are regrouping the ones, we are getting the answer in 2 digit at the ones column. See this 4 threes are 12. So we have to put number 1 as a carry forwarded number. 4 threes are 12. So 2 will write under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. After putting the carry, the step 1 is complete. Now step 2 is multiply 4 with the tens value. So 4 twos is equal to 8 and we have to add that one number which is the carry forwarded number into the answer. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Here is the answer of the tens is 9. Now let's do both the steps together so you will be better understood this. Now here is 4 threes are 12. 2 we can write under the ones column and another one we can write at the tens column. You can call it this one as a carry forwarded number. Now let's multiply with the tens value. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 which is carry forwarded number we have to add into the answer. So the final product is 92. You can see this, the final product, the final answer is 92. Then the next one here is the step 1 which is multiply 2 with the ones value and the ones value is 5. 2 fives are 10. So we can write down 0 under the ones column and we can put 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now the step 2 is multiply 2 with the tens value. Now the tens value is 2 threes are 6. We have to add one number into the 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 2 threes are 6 plus 1 carry forwarded number is equal to 7. Now let's do both the steps together again. 2 fives are 10. Put 0 as a carry as a ones under the ones column and another one will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 threes are 6 plus 1 the carry forwarded number is equal to 7. So here the answer is 7070. The next example, multiply 3 with the ones value which is 6. 3 6 are 18. Here is the 18 and put 1 as a carry forwarded number. You can see this, I am writing the 18. Now the step 2, multiply 3 with the tens value. Here is 3 twos are 6 plus 1 number which is carry forwarded is equal to 7. So we are getting answer. Let's do it together. 3 6 are 18. Here is the 3 6 are 18. We can put 1 as a carry forwarded number. Now 3 twos are 6 plus 1 which is carry forwarded number is equal to 7. So the final answer is 78. The final product is 78. Then the next one, multiply 5 with the ones value again. 5 fours are 20. We can put 0 under the ones column and put 2 number as a carry forwarded number because 2 0 20. We are putting 2 number as a carry forwarded. Now the step 2 is here 5 twos are 10. What is 5 twos are 10 plus we have to add 2 number into it. 5 twos are 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Here is 12. We are getting the answer 12. Let's do both the steps together. 5 fours are 20. We can put 0 and put 2 number as a carry forwarded number. Now 5 twos are 10 plus 2 number which is carry forwarded. So 5 twos are 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So here our final answer is 120. Here is our answer 120. So I have one worksheet for you. This worksheet we had seen in the previous lecture also. But after revising this worksheet, we are going to solve the exercise 8C question number 1. But before it, we are going to solve this worksheet again. Now here is 3 fours are 12. 3 4s are 12, so we can put 2 here and one number as a carry forwarded number. Now 3 8s are 24 plus 1 carry forwarded number is equal to 25. So the answer is 252. Then the next one, 4 6s are 24. This way we can write, we have to put 4 under the ones column and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 4 8s are how much? 4 8s are 32 plus 2 is equal to 34. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 number we have to add into this 32 is equal to 34. Now the final answer is 344. Then the next one, 2 8s are 16. We can put a 6 and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the final answer is 56. Then the next one, 2 8s are 16. So we can put 6 under the ones column and 1 we can put as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So this is the final answer, 96 of this sum. Then the next one, 6 6s are 36. So we can put 6 under the ones column and put 3 as a carry forwarded number. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. This way we can put the carries, we have to add carries in the answer at the tens column and then we have to write down the final answer. Then the next sum, 3 8s are. How much is 3 8s are? 3 8s are 24. We can write down this way, 4 at the ones column and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number. Then the next one, 3 6s are. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So the final answer is 204. Then the next one, 5 7s are. How much? 5 7s are 35. So we can write down 5 at the ones column and another 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 5 8s are 40 and we'll add 3 number as a carry forwarded is equal to 43. So the final product is 435. Here is the final product. Now 8 6s are. How much? 8 6s are 48. This way we can write, 8 will write under the ones column and another 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now again 8 6s are 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. 8 6s are 48. Then we have to add 4 number into the 48 is equal to 52. That's why I am writing 52 here. So the final product is 528. Now the next sum, 4 3s are. 4 3s are 12. So we can put 2 under the ones column and put 1 as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 4 7s are. 4 7s are 28 plus add 1 number into the 28 is equal to 29. So the final product is 292. Then the next sum, 7 9s are. 7 9s are 63. So we can write 3 under the ones column and 6 as a carry forwarded number. Now 7 6s are. 7 6s are 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. So the final product is 483. What is the final product? 483. Let's move to the next sum, 7 7s are. 7 7s are 49. So we can write down 9 under the ones column and 4 at the tens column. 7 7s are 49 again. So we have to add 7 number into the 49 is equal to 53. Now here is the answer. Now let's move to the next one. 8 4s are 32. So this way we can write, put 2 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 8 6 are, how much 8 6 are? 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So the final product is 512. Now the next sum, 9 8s are, how much? 9 8s are 72. This way we can write, 2 will write under the ones column and 7 will move at the tens column. Again 9 8s are 72 plus 7 is equal to 79. So the final product is 792. Then the next sum, 6 7s are, how much? 6 7s are 42. So we can write down 2 under the ones column and the 4 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 6 6 are 36 and plus 4 we have to add into the 36 is equal to 40. So the final product is 402. What is the final product? 402. Then the next one, next sum is 6 5s are. 6 5s are is equal to 30. So we can write down 0 under the ones column and we can put 3 as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 7s are, how much? 6 7s are 42 plus we have to add 3 into the 42 is equal to 45. So the final answer is 450. Then the next one, 8 9s are, how much? 8 9s are 72. So we have to write 2 under the ones column and 7 we can write as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 8 4s are, 32 plus 7 number we have to add into this is equal to 39. So the final product is 392. Then the next sum, 4 6 are. 4 6 are is equal to 24. So we can write down 4 under the ones column and 2 we can write at the tens column. Now 6 4s are again 24 plus 2 is equal to 28. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is equal to 28. So next one is the answer, that 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. So here is the answer, 264. Next one, 5 8s are 40. 40. We can put 0 as a carry forwarded number and 4 we can put as a carry forwarded number. Now 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. So the final answer is 390. This is the final product. Next one, 3 4s are 12. So we can write down 2 under the ones column and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Again 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So the final product is 132. Then the next one, 6 5s are 30. So we can put a 0 at the tens under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Again 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. So here is the final answer of this product is 390. I hope that you can understood this regrouping the ones worksheet. It will be a very easy and practicable for you. So Write the sums into the fair book. This worksheet you have to write down into the fair book. Now let's see exercise 8C. Here is your textbook exercise 8C. So here is question 1 of the exercise 8C. Question number 1. Regrouping the ones. Here we are regrouping the ones first. Sum number A, 2 6 are 12. So we can put 2 under the ones column and number 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. 2 6 are 12. We are putting 2 under the ones column and another one will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 4s are 8 and after 8 we can move one number into the 8. So 4 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So the answer of sum number A is 92. Then the sum number B, 6 8s are how much? 6 8s are 48. So we can write down number 8 under the ones column. So you can see I am writing number 8 under the ones column. Then we can just put number 4 as a carry forwarded number is number 4. Here is the 48. You can see 48. Now we can multiply 6 with the 1. 6 ones are 6 and we can add 4 number to it. 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So we can write down 10 this way. The 0 will come under the tens column. In another one will move at the hundreds column. You can see this answers will come in the 3 digit. So you can read this product as a 108. How you can read this? You can read this as a 108. Now sum number C. 3 7s are, here is 3 7s are 21. So in the 21 1 will move, 1 will come under the ones column because 21 1 is at the ones place. And 2 will move. Here you can see 2 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Here is 21. 3 7s are 21. You can see. Now let's multiply 3 with the tens value. 3 2s are 6. Here is the 3 2s are 6. Then you have to add a 2 number into the 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. This way. So the final product of sum number C is 81. This way the carry will come in the one digit only. 1, 2, 3. Carry can be anything. Here is the carry is 2. Now let's see the sum number D, which is 5 9s are. 5 9s are is equal to 45. Here from the 45, 5 is at the ones place. So we can write down number 5 under the ones column. So you can see I am writing number 5 under the ones column, and from the 45 number 4 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. You can see this column is the tens column. Now we can multiply 5 with the ones. 5 ones are 5. So answer is 5. We can add 4 number into the 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So you can see this, we are getting the product, we are getting the answer is 95. So this way you have to write down this question number 1 of the exercise 8C into your fair book. And in the next lecture we are starting exercise 8C question number 2. We will do in the next lecture exercise 8C question number 2. But before it you have to write down this question 1 and the worksheet sum into your fair book. You have to take worksheet as the extra sum. Worksheet is the extra sum. So you have to revise the worksheet and this textbook exercise also. If you have textbook, you have to fill this exercise into the textbook. You have to write into the fair book. You have to write these sums into the rough book. And you have to make practice of these sums. So it will be a very helpful to you to do the revision this chapter how many revision you will do, it will be very helpful to you. Now, thank you students for watching this video. Do your homework. Bye bye students.